In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now click on Clipboard at the top of it and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now go back to standard keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on this icon at the top left corner. Select Clipboard again and tap on your text over here to paste it within an hour. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. In order to do that, hold it and click on pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it again and tap on delete option or swipe it to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!